ito, from Kai Atinins. I am a PWD, sabi ni Kai. I know may discounts kami in food, grocery, and services. How about sa tax? Ito po, baka po makararify po natin. May work po is a freelancer and pinapadeclare po kita ko as a multi-source daw po. Aren't we tax exempts?
As of the moment po, yung because of the train law, may tax exemptions before eh. Pero because of the train law po, medyo nagkaroon ng thresholds. At saka at the same time, na-amend yung batas natin with respect to Republic Act 10754. If I believe po, nasa section 14 po ata yon before, na meron tax incentives. But ngayon po, because of the train law, na-amendahan po siya.
Opo. So can you discuss, attorney, ito pong na-mention din natin kanina, 10754, nagpapatapat ng VAT exempt 12% at karagdagang 5% discount sa mga basic needs.
Tama po yun, sir. Nag-start kasi yan sa Magna Carta, RA 7277, na dapat may mga pribilehiyo at benefits na nakukuha ang mga persons with disabilities. Now, kailangan po kasi malaman kung ano yung mga magkano and ano yung benefits na yon. So, it was amended, yung 7277, the Magna Carta was amended by Republic Act 9442. But yung 9442 is may kulang pa rin. So, naamyandahan siya ng Republic Act 10754 na nadagdagan na po yung mga transportation, yung lahat ng mga nabibigyan ng benefits with respect to the 20%, 12% VAT, and then the 5% na discounts for our persons with disabilities po.
Oo. Ngayon, syempre, may concern rin yung iba nating mga establishments dahil minsan nagagamit yung mga peking PWD ID or kakulangan. Minsan naman, kakulangan ng mga, parang kailangan magbigay ka ng ebidensya, di ba? So, paano po natin ito ina-address?
So, currently po, kakatapos lang last June 30 po, yung ating rollouts for persons with disabilities na tinatawag nating Unified Persons with Disability Identification System. So, yung tinatawag natin na Unified ID System for Identification System was actually an answer by our sector na mawala na po yung pamimeke ng IDs. Kasi nga po, yung itsura ng mga different persons with disability IDs is paiba-iba. From bawat LGU may sarili silang may sarili sa itsura. Although the NCDA is tasked to have the template po, and it was accorded by NCDA Administrative Order number 1 series of 2021 na may template talaga siya. But yung template po naiiba-iba. So ngayon napipeke siya. So ang mahirap po is yung verification. Kasi pag sinabi mo na, taga Mindanao ako and I'm using my ID here in Manila, iba po yung itsura. So what happened is, nag-create po through the thrust and direction of our good Secretary Rex Gatchalian, who is the chairperson of the NCDA, nagkaroon po yung Unified Identification System. Bali po, magkakaroon ng digital ID and uniform na po yung itsura ng ating persons with disability identification.
Parang plaka lang dapat. Diba? Parang plate number.
Exactly, sir. So, wala nang naiiba. And at the same time, pag kini-question yung ating persons with disability or kung gagamitin po yung ating mga IDs po for the discounts and benefits, i-QR code na lang po siya. And then pag nag-QR code, yung merchant natin, i-QR code siya, pupunta po sa portal ng DSWD. Makikita na po na persons with disability siya. Parang national ID po.
Galing.
Ayan. Kailan po ito magro-roll out?
Actually, nag-roll out na po, and then last po na roll out date is last June 30. So, meron na po tayo approximately almost 1,000 na mga LGUs po na roll outan. So, hinihintay na lang po natin yung administrative order kasi na-signed na po din ng ating butihing secretary, and at the same time, pina-file na po sa UP Honor, and hinihintay namin yung certification para po ma-publish na may bagong AO with respect to the Unified ID Persons with Disability ID System po.
So, paano yan? Meron silang physical ID or pwedeng digital lang?
Digital ID talaga siya, ma'am. But the LGU has the option po if they wanted to print it out. So wala naman problema if they want to print it. But with respect to the ID, it's a digital ID.
Alright. So, Attorney Walter, last message na lang po. para po sa ating panghuling mensahe na lang po para sa ating mga kababayan at mga nakikinig at nanonood.
Sige po. On behalf of our Executive Director, lahat po inaayayahan namin na makipag-celebrate with respect to the National Disability Rights Week. Ano po yan, month-long na celebration po. Ang dami po nating partners. So, dun po sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, please do visit our website, ncda.gov.ph, and our Facebook page, National Council on Disability Affairs, para po mapupuntahan po ninyo yung mga different activities po na gagawin within the whole month of July. So again po, we are asking everyone for the support kasi nga po ang tunay na success po natin with it comes to the rights approach is that everyday na po lahat po ng parang aspeto with respect to persons with disability ay napapag-usapan, and hindi na po siya puro problema, but pag celebrate na lang na meron po talagang persons with disability, and then inclusive po sa society natin na kasama ang ating mga persons with disabilities.
Meron
Salamat
lang
po.
akong isang question bago ka namin pakawalan. Ilan ho ba ang PWD na nakaregister sa ating bansa?
Based po sa ating Philippine Registry for Persons with Disability, nasa mga around 2.7 million na po yung mga nakaregister. But with respect to the World Health Organization po, meron pong 15 to 16% of the world population are persons with disabilities. So dito sa Pilipinas po, kung meron tayong 100 million, expected po talaga na nasa 15 to 16 million po yung persons with disability natin.
Okay.
Ang dami din, ano po. Alright, maraming salamat. Attorney Walter Alava, ang spokesperson ng National Council on Disability Affairs or NCDA. Thank you, Attorney.
Thank you, Attorney.